What's going on, guys? So in today's video I'm going to teach you how to fix wireless adapter not showing up in device manager. So it's a very simple fix. Let's get straight into it. So you're going to open up device manager. You can either search it right here, or you're going to right click on your Windows logo right here and go into device manager. Okay, let it open. So once device manager opens, you can left click on this desktop right here, go into action, okay, and click on scan for hardware changes. So once it scans, it will run through a process, and your hardware, your wireless hardware should adapter should be shown here, and it might be undetected in the, it might have like a yellow triangle beside it, so that might be the cause of not installing a driver. So once you install a driver, it should work fine. So that's all for this video, guys. If it helped you out, do like, share and subscribe. So that's all for me. Thanks for watching, folks.